Hi guys, welcome to Daily Loves channel, and today I am here to talk about me and my groupmates advocacy, which is modern dating. So, pag-usapan natin kung ano nga ba ang modern dating, what happens in modern dating, and in the end, I will be giving advice para at least matulungan ko kayo if ever man na you're experiencing the problems about modern dating that I will be mentioning later. So ano, Tara? Anak, ako babad na babad. Tara na. Ba? Yo. Let's, let's start with the definition of modern dating. Ano nga ba ang modern dating? Modern dating is about how people meet, connect, and sometimes break hearts in today's world. Hindi na siya katulad ng dati na may ligawan sa harap ng parents, harana, or sulat-sulat na lang ang way of communication. Ngayon, it's all about direct messages, likes, scene zone, and marami pa iba. Pero syempre, habang nag-iiba ang style ng love, nagiging mas complicated dito. So tara, and let's talk about it with some very relatable situations. First is ghosting. Madami naman na siguro ang nag-ghost in today's world. So, what is ghosting? Ito ay yung tipo na nagre-reply ang someone mo ng sweet messages every day and then one day, magugulat ka na lang, mawawala sila na para bang bula. Ganyan. So, ang example ng ghosting is when someone messages you good night and if someone, nagpanggap siya na like may sakit siya, kakain lang siya, maliligo lang siya, may pupuntahan lang. Pero yun pala, mawawala na siya. Yung no trace na, nawala na parang bula, hangin, or multo. Kaya nga ghosting. So, masakit yun. Now, let's move on to the second situation. Love bombing. Ito yung super effort sa simula. Like, day one, bibigyan ka ng good morning with like call sign na kahit wala pa naman kayo, bibigyan ka na ng call sign na asawa, baby, like wala naman kayo, ano ba? Tapos, like sa third day ng magkakilala, bibigyan ka ng gifts, flowers, chocolates, and everything. Papadalahin ka ng food, and then sa ikalimang araw or 1 week na pagkakakilala niyo, gusto ka nang ipakilala sa parents niya. Tapos, after a month, they will, dump you. Ganun. Sa una lang magaling. So, that is intense. And now, let's move on to the third situation. Next is catfishing. Catfishing, when you think of it, naisip mo, it's not that big of a deal. Pero it really is kasi it still can affect the person deeply. Ano nga ba ang catfishing? Catfishing is when you meet someone online na ang profile is pogi or maganda. But if you see them in person, hindi pala ito ang totoo nilang mukha or iba palang tao ito. These are the people who use too much filters sa pictures nila na para mas magmukha silang maayos, presentable tignan, mas maganda, or mas pogi sila. Yung iba naman are using other people's pictures sa kanilang profiles. You can call them posers. So, that's a very, very big plot twist in online dating. Kasi now, these experiences may sound funny, but they also show why we need to talk about modern dating. That's why we chose this advocacy. Because love today is not only about the kilig moments. It's also about learning how to be safe, smart, and aware. So, if you're watching this right now, I want you to remember that it's okay to laugh about heartbreaks, but it's not okay to let yourself be fooled again and again. Kaya kung may nang-ghost sa'yo, huwag mong i-text, huwag mong itanong ng why. bakit mo ako ginost? Instead, you just move forward, let things be. Kasi if someone leaves you without explanation, that's on them, not you. Kung may nang love bond naman sa'yo, chill lang, no? Don't be pressured by sweet words and grand gestures. Love is proven by consistency, not by 1 week fireworks show. So what we mean by 1 week fireworks show is yung 1 week ka lang na pasasayahin, 1 week ka lang i-entertain, pero in the end, wala na, dry na. Wala nang fireworks. Di na masaya. So, next naman is kung na-catfish ka, well, at least may story ka na pang viral sa tropa. Pero lesson learned, always check the person, not just the profile picture. Okay guys, that's it for today's Chica on Modern Dating. Thank you for listening to my mix of jokes, real talk, and advice. Remember, love smart and not just hard. Protect your peace and also protect your heart. Bye! Gusto na. Ano, gusto pa.